The California Fair Plan. It has a great name, but it's very misleading because it is very unfair. So maybe you've been dropped by State Farm, Allstate. Maybe you've been with your carrier for 10, 20, 30 years, and now all of a sudden you find yourself without homeowners insurance. What are you to do? Well, in this video, we're going to go over some quick tips and suggestions on how to keep yourself protected while keeping those premiums low. Hello, my name is Johnny Jennings. I'm a real estate agent with the Made for More Realty team, and we have tons of reviews. We have over 1,000 reviews on Google and hundreds on Zillow, and so we've been doing this a long time. We sell a house every 3 days, and so unfortunately, because we're dealing with so many sellers, we are running into this issue where people who bought homes because they wanted that fixed monthly payment, insurance used to be an afterthought. Now it's become something that people are thinking about. It's at the front of their minds. And the problem is, so for example, I have a client right now in Colfax. His homeowner's insurance went up to $12,000 a year. He was dropped. It went up to $12,000 a year. That's $1,000 a month. And guess what? That's with a $9,000 deductible. So if you're experiencing something like this, or if you're worried about something like this happening, for example, Los Lagos, it's not necessarily in the mountains, it's not necessarily wooded, but it's considered a high fire zone. We recently sold a house in Orangevale, considered a high fire zone. So this isn't just happening to a few people, this is happening to a lot of people, and the FEMA maps are getting rewritten periodically. And so you may find yourself in a flood zone, you may find yourself in a high fire zone, and your insurance provider may no longer be operating in the state. So what do you do? Well, the first thing you can do is you can reach out to my team. We work with a number of insurance brokers. So what I mean when I say insurance brokers, these are people like State Farm, they can only sell State Farm products. Insurance brokers can have a wide array of different insurance companies they can work with, and they can find one that may save you money. Recently, we just helped a family in Penryn. They had a beautiful house, but they were dropped by their insurance carrier. We recently helped a family in Penryn get insurance. That previous example in Colfax, we were able to drop their premium from, again, $12,000 a year down to $9,000 a year by getting them to an insurance broker. So if you're getting dropped, don't just put your head in the sand. Don't wonder, hey, it's okay, my insurance is the house will never burn down. Because if you think like that, you're more likely than not going to run into a situation where you may wish that you had homeowners insurance. So please reach out to us, we can get you answers. But if you don't want to reach out to myself and you want to do your own due diligence, I would suggest you Google insurance brokers and make sure that they are providing insurance companies that have a AAA rating. That means they have enough income, they have enough resources to be able to pay out premiums. If they don't have an A rating, if it's a B or less, then maybe when you make the claim, even though you've been paying your premiums, they may not have the resources to reimburse you for that loss. So again, if you have any questions, reach out to myself, my team. You can find us on madeformorerealty.com or just Google Made for More Realty today, and we can save you. Again, whether or not you're selling your house, we can help you save on your homeowner's insurance.